Hello everyone. Everyone in this world has a curiosity. Either he or she will be a millionaire or billionaire in future, or how much money or wealth he or she will get, possess or accumulate in future. Today our topic is too much interesting. I will tell you in this video how can you predict the money or wealth of any person in astrology without making his personal birth chart. So let's start. As we know in astrology, there are seven physical planets, that is Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn, including two shadow planets, that is North Node and South Node, that is Rahu and Ketu. Rahu and Ketu are not a physical planets, these are a shadow planets. So we will not consider Rahu and Ketu in our case study. We will only consider seven planets, that is Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn in our case study. So let's start. It may be a very interesting or surprising for you to know that some planets rule during a daytime and some planets rule during a night time. So we will divide the seven planets into two groups, that is daytime group and nighttime group. In daytime group, the planets which rule are Mercury, Jupiter, Sun and Venus, and the planets rule on night time are Mercury, Mars, Moon and Saturn. We consider the Mercury in both groups because Mercury is a childish planet and always feels happy. So our day start with Mercury and our night start with Mercury. So let's come to our main topic. How can we calculate or how can we come to know either the person is millionaire or billionaire without making his personal birth chart? So first of all, we will take the case study of a person which born in daytime. So first of all, forget about the nighttime planets, that is Mars, Moon and Saturn. We will only talk about daytime planets because we are discussing the case of a person which is born during a daytime. So we will only talk about four planets, that is Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Sun. So let's talk about. So the person born in a daytime, if he have a strong Mercury in birth chart, he or she will get surely a money or a huge money. And if he have a strong Mercury and Sun in his birth chart, he or she will get a more money than a person who have a only strong Mercury in his birth chart. And if a person born in daytime and have a four planets, that strong four planet, that is Mercury, Jupiter, Sun and Venus, he or she will become successfully millionaire or a billionaire in his life. But if a person born in daytime and he or she don't have a strong planet Mercury, Jupiter, Sun and Venus, none of any strong planet among the daytime planets, he or she will never be as successful to become a millionaire or a billionaire. So if you are born in daytime, you have at least one planets strong in your birth chart among four planets of daytime, that is Mercury, Sun, Venus and Jupiter. If a person born on night time and he or she have a strong Mercury, Moon, Saturn or Mars in his or her birth chart, he or she will become a successful to be a billionaire. But if any person born on night time and if he or she has a two strong planets among nighttime planets in his birth chart, he or she will become successful to be a millionaire. But if any person born during a night time and he don't have a strong Mercury, strong Moon, don't have a strong Mars, and don't have a even strong Saturn. No, he don't have any strong planet among four night planets, he will never be successful to be a billionaire, millionaire, or to accumulate an handsome amount in future. So in this way, viewers, you can predict a wealth of any person in astrology without making his birth chart. So viewers, I will wait for your positive feedback and kindly subscribe my channel for more information and educated videos about astrology. Thank you.